Good morning. In this lecture series, we see about projection of solids. Last lecture series, we see about the projection of plane. In this topic, we are discussing about especially about a solid, how its projection in a different condition and different positions. So, first of all, what is meaning of solid? The solid is a three-dimensional object having length, breadth, thickness, and bounded by a surface which have maybe either the plane or curve or combination of the two. The classifications are mainly two heading. One is a polyhedron and a solid revolutions. A regular polyhedron, a solid bounded only by plane surface. Its face are formed by a regular polygon of same size and all dihedral angles are equal to one another. The other polyhedra, when the faces of the polyhedron are not formed by equal identical face, they may be classified into prism and pyramid. Here I have sourced the different types of prism. So what's first of all, what is meaning of prism? Prism is a polyhedron formed by two equal parallel regular polygon and end face connected by the side face, which are either rectangular or parallelogram. Here I have shows the different types of prism. I see the one by one. First one name is called as triangular prism. The bottom surface and top surface, the surface names look like is a triangle. So the prism name is called as triangular prism. The similar we have the square prism and the pentagonal prism, hexagonal prism, rectangular prism, and oblique prisms. These are all called as different types of prisms. So first, then, what is meaning of pyramid? A pyramid is a polyhedron formed by a plane surface as its base and the numbers of triangle as its side of face. All meeting at a point is called as vertex or apex. Axis. The imaginary line is connecting the apex and the center of the base is called as the axis, and the inclined and the slanting face, the inclined triangular slide face and the apex and these base corners. The right pyramid, when the axis of the prism pyramid is a perpendicular to its base. Oblique pyramid, when its axis of the pyramid is inclined its base. Here I also shows the different types of pyramid shapes. The first one is triangular pyramid, square pyramid, rectangular pyramid, pentagonal pyramid, hexagonal pyramid, and oblique pyramid. So what is meaning of visibility? The visibility, when a drawing the orthographic view of an object, it will be required to show some the hidden lines are invisible and are shown in the orthographic view by the dashed line. The rule of visibility, all the outline of the each view are visible. The outline of the all the views are shown in the full line. So first of all, then in the top view, the highest portions of the object are visible. The frustum of the pentagonal pyramid, the top face, the ABCD is the highest. It's a completely visible in the top view. In the top view edges, AB, BC, CD, DE, and EA are shown in a full line. The bottom pentagonal face A1, B1, C1, D1, E1 is a similar than the top face. Hence, invisible the silent edge AA1, BB1, CC1, DD1, and EE1 are visible in a top view. Hence, they are shown in the line in a dash. The line connecting the visible point and an invisible point is shown in the invisible line of dash unless they are outlined. In a front view, the front view of the triangular face of the object is invisible or visible. In front view of the face, we have shown that A, B, B1, A1 and B, C, C1 and B1 are the front view. If I'm taking the frustum of the cone, okay, frustum of the prism, I have to draw the front and top view of this particular solid. Here I shows the front view of the front view of the given solid, and we are viewing from the top view. The shows the top view is look like a pentagonal, and the side view also here showing. The front view of the corner A, B, C and the A1, B1, C1 are visible to observer. Hence, in the front view, the line A A dash A1 dash B dash B1 dash C dash C1 dash are shown in full line. The corner DE D1 E1 are invisible in a front view. The line E dash E1 D dash D1 are invisible, hence shows the dash line the top rarer edge A dash E dash E dash D dash and D dash C dash coincide with the top front visible edges A dash B dash and B dash and C dash. In side view of in the space, the lying on the side view are visible are seen in the left side view. The corner EAB and E1A1B1 lying on the left. The side and are visible in the left view. The A double dash, A1 double dash and B double dash, B1 double dash are shows full line. The edges D double dash, D1 double dash, C double dash, C1 double dash coincide with the visible edges E double dash, E1 double dash and A double dash, A1 double dash respectively. The projection of solids placed in a different positions. The solids may be placed on the HP in a various positions. The first one, the way of the axis of the solid held with respect to HP or VP or both in conditions of the perpendicular to HP or VP, parallel to either HP or VP and inclined to other, inclined to both HP and VP. The axis of the perpendicular to the HP, a solid when placed on the HP with its axis perpendicular to it, then it will have a base on the HP. This is the simplest position in which a solid can be placed. When a solid placed with the base on the HP position in a top view, the base will be projected in a true shape. Hence, when the base of the solid is on the HP and top view is drawn first and then the front view and the side view are projected from it. Here I have shows the one example of cylinder and the cone. What is the front view and top view of the cylinder? And then what is the front view and top view of the cone? First, I have to show the cylinder top view and the front view. I look at the object in a front view. I getting the shape of a triangle. It look like a prism. And what look like the top view of the circle, top view of the cylinder, we look as a circle formation. So here I have shows the front and top view of the cylinder and similar, the cone, what is the top view of the cone is called as a triangle, and the front view of the circle, and the front view of the cone is in form of triangle. Thank you.